TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this Thursday, the 22nd of April. And what we're looking at here is the Dow is down 130 at 34,000 after a really strong session yesterday. Let me just show you this chart right here because it's a particular technique that I use a lot. We've seen it here. It's called the Chapman Wave falling axe. It's just a declining cone. And what we're looking at is if after making a peak, D, E, or F top, there are lower highs and lower lows. If there is a strong move above the trend line resistance, you could go back to the previous high. Just make it as simple as that. Well, there's that declining top. There's sharply lower lows. This is going to be very important. Is over the next couple of days, is there enough strength to slightly move into the upper level? And that would be above 34,160, because then you have a chance of testing the all-time high of 34,256, or you're about to make an arch formation and pull back. We'll know by the end of Friday's close at 4 o'clock on Friday. It's an important couple of days coming up. The S&P right now is doing the same sort of thing. The S&P is down 10 at 4162, had a spectacular gain yesterday, slightly above this declining trend line. We'll see what happens here. 4191 was the all-time high. We're at 4162. You need to climb above, I would say, 4181, and you start to break out. This is going to be a very important time. Why? Because there are a lot of indications that suggest that the market is overbought, and we're rotating through different sectors while we're pulling back. Look, the QQQ Index 100 is down 0.3, a little bit better than the others. It's trying to break out in that high, and it had an all-time high of 342.23. It's down $1.14, 338. For all of these, if they break about 50% of yesterday's gain to the down close below that, that says it's going to be a tough time making new highs. The IWM was a little bit better yesterday. Today it's back down 43 cents at 223. Is making this arch formation. Gold, we're looking at gold pulling back $6 after making a nice rally. If gold's able to get to 1802, then the 1806 200 period moving average becomes a magnet. The TLT, we'll look at that. TLT is up today. It's up 43 cents at 140.21. That's good. There's a lot to discuss, and I'm going to spend a couple of moments during my show going through particular charts that are really important at this time. I'll be back in a few minutes for the Tiger Conditions Hour.